Before and after side-by-side applications for Android are tools designed to help users showcase transformations or comparisons through side-by-side photo displays. These apps allow users to easily present images that highlight changes, such as weight loss, home renovations, or makeup transformations, by placing the before and after images in a split-view format. Typically, they come with user-friendly interfaces that enable quick editing, adjustments, and customization of layout styles. Users can often crop, resize, and apply filters to enhance their images before creating the final comparison. Many of these applications also offer the option to add text annotations, stickers, or effects to emphasize specific changes. By facilitating visually appealing presentations, these apps are perfect for social media sharing, marketing purposes, or personal documentation of progress, helping users effectively communicate their stories or achievements in a compelling manner.